Omnius _____. Cross, thank you for those 100 bits as well. Albatross, thank you for the 10 bits. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys keeping the hype train a moving as we get down to under a minute. Let's see. Filtered by clips. Let's see. All time for Omnius here. And I miss the I miss the Ash talk. All the Omnius streams. And what is it? Where? I don't think it's this one. Dice ASMR, that plastic moment. Oh, dexterity save. I think it's this one right here.
It's like 4 or 5 coats.
Yeah, this is it.
I'm a big fan of that gloss. I don't know why. Some people don't like it. Smudges on. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, so it did come out really dark.
Oh, Miss May gifted 2 subs.
Oh, Lord, I know. Let's not do that.
Oops. Wait, how did... Miss May gifted 2 subs. Was that not enough to get us through level 3? Guys, I think you guys deserve a magnet giveaway. Miss May just gifted 2 subs. I don't even know. Wait, where are the alerts for it? Did it like not go through or something? What? No, I don't know. But Miss May gifting 2 more subs on top of the 5 that she gifted earlier. I'm gonna give you guys a magnet giveaway just because Miss May saved it right there at the end. But thank you so much, Miss May, for the 2 gifted subs. I don't know why you didn't get any alerts, but big shout out to you, Miss May. Thank you for bringing some more crows into the community. I think my brain is broken today. Actually, I think it may be broken. Let's watch this clip one more time. There we go. There are the crows. Thank you very much, Miss May, for the 2 additional gifted subs. Hey, what's happening now? LiDAR with the Prime for 19 months. You like the dart box? Yeah, Omnius makes some really, really nice boxes. And yeah, this one, as you saw, look how shiny it is.
Oh, Jesus.
That catch. That catch, though. And that relief face there. I miss my shop so much. I know Omnius, but yeah, like someone else said, like Random Tinker said, I'm sure you're going to love